Good morning. I'm Roberta with the Cotton Patch in Lafayette, California. I'm the Bernina tech as well as a Bernina salesperson, and I've been asked if I were considering a good sewing machine for a beginning sewer, my grandchildren, something like that. What would I suggest? And I think at this point, my favorite machine in that range would be this little Bernette 38. This is one of Bernina's entry-level machines. It has a drop-in bobbin. It has a touch screen, and for young sewers, I've learned this with my own granddaughters, they want a screen. They want to see this is their world now, so they like that. So it's a very simple machine. You store all your little bits and pieces right on the machine. It has a lot of different stitches, alphabets, and as well as simple directions if they forget how to thread the machine or do anything like that. And it's all on board. So you wouldn't have to have them running around looking for anything. The other factor that I really like on this machine is it has an automatic scissors, and they love that. Highly automatic. It just is a beautiful, beautiful feature. It's a nice little machine. Right now, between now for the holidays, you can get this really cute little carrying case for them, which is also a wonderful situation for beginning sewer. They can take it to classes, they can take it to their friends. There's a lot of different things young people might want to do with the machine. So again, I'm Roberta. I'm the tech here at Cotton Patch in Lafayette, California. And thank you for looking at our machines.